So him say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akwaje eye chief title ewo Nigeria. Na we na Ghana for bu efu say John Dramani Mahama the Ghana for edi agro. John Dramani Mahama emfa Ghana for. He doesn't care about we the Ghanaian citizens. Na emom no odwene Nigeria for esen Ghana for. Na some of Ghana for bu fu kran say osi Ghanaians and Nigerians are like twins at center for. Ghana for we osi kum omkoko apai say John Dramani Mahama. Eba kwaji chief dynasty title ewo Nigeria. Na wakachi Nigeria for say he is receiving the title on behalf of Ghanaians. Ghana for say almost one baby ya. Afi Ghana for say John Dramani Mahama say Oshena so Nigeria ni a on resign na on konkodi ade ewo Nigeria because Ghanaians say they don't want anything to do with Nigeria. And until John Dramani Mahama say na Ghana for e ka kiro.
Hey, Ghana for yada ene na igwa bonten ene dwada ene 14th December mi weyem on say me most videos mi boduku but mi moduku tuntum ene mabo yie duku. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oye Igbo ni why ene ntina Nigeria fo yikunkum yen Igbo fo ye Ghana fo nam hi dan na fi rekobusa na wa wone sika ekunu ne ade na omo fa ye nkwala ni omo koda wie a obe mani sika no wakunu no otutu dan otimu no otutu mu no wasie enipa no wo ho ukoforo ka na ye kun edra na jona na mani ye chesiu sena His Excellency Dina no wai ni nyina no oye Igbo ni wai ene yakosi na de so yedi na kosi hini wo Igbofo omukrom metete se eye wukwada na yekosi ne hene no se na nye wukwada eye ne joy ene joy na Mr. President yekosi ne hene Your Excellency inti ukuta agenda say pa eni nti ne na wo force wa so opeso be di president bi em no Ghana for me person me busa mu me de me nima de me nko school do akire but I know one thing say so obi pe MP dia na so okuta dual citizenship ti se bia watu kwa brochi wa ko nationalize wo ho na se oba Ghana so obedi MP a yesi ye mani ni enti me busa se John Dramani Mahama ye Nigeria ni esa ye Ghana ni a onu otibi ye president mani ye mumma church le mi why because menti ase o menti ase enti Mr. President na Nigeria ni echichiri ni ma ochichiri ni kuro so ochichiri ni kingdom nyina ne obedua ne bayire dua ne beans ni twase ni nyina no sai na wo ye Igbo ni nti na waka wa no to mu na wo ye Igbo ni enu nti na waka wa no to mu Ghana for me twema adjust bibi so sam behwe bibi mu se Igbo for no oma lie low Nigeria for no unso oma lie low aso oma jo first na ko mu internet so TikTok so e ka se di Ghana for atem ni ade tipa mi manya ne say because of say na His Excellency e be kwa di ade ni nti no omo ka kire omo so omo nye din omo nye kom na His Excellency enkodi ade ni wi cause omo brother enti me mama ti ase se Igbo fo ni Nigeria fo no afiansa nkwase ase mo mba bedi ni kese afiansa na kunkum mo mba be kunkum ni kese afiansa kidnapping mo mba be kidnap ni kese uye Ghana ni na ukoto se Nigeria ni eni unua Ghana ni ko a me pa cha enkobusa ase bi ni mo Kobwa unia Ghana ni why Kobwa unia Ghana ni no na mo ni Nigeria ni no emfe so. Your Excellency, enti abraba Ghana for wodi efamu eye dukunu kra me se bi money ye because many abre papa me se so obi kuta dual citizenship no ntimi ni MP a so obi so kuta dual citizenship a wotimi ye president mani ye ye ara mo me kire mi esi den na ukodi ahenie wo Igbofuo kurom na oba be ye president e wo my way mu. Your Excellency, ukuta dual citizenship, but we are president of the Republic of Ghana. Mo amako school. Mo me chire mi muate. Say Mr. President, woti bi kodi hene. E wo Igbofuo man so. Esa so ye Igbo ni. Na osati bi be di president. Esa so oye Ghana ni nso a wo me chire mu na menti ase na metie me ya menti ase Ghana for mo money na ho na yet time bomb so me see yet den yet time bomb so say yan hwe ye ni be pa ye ho so no na ye kuro ni ye man Ghana we na NDC for aton Igbo ni na waye di no mamu remfi se watasa ase bi o se wo chichire ni kingdom Ghana for de encha na mo de ma de free ade so no nyesa moni beba mo ho so no na kingdom no wasi awie awia we me chinchi mi TV channels manko baby a me di me TV koto station ye friend no Wezo TV me de koto a Mr. President ni esi ni hina wie a ya ma na fra bi ekuta no ma speech na Igbofuo de yene mu ye baako na nkanafo kora no according to history no that is say Nigeria for kora mo ni nkanafo bobusua Mr. President yeni Nigeria for bua mabusua Nigeria for omunye ye nuanom nne wo munye ye nuanom chena wo na woni omo babusua wo na woni Igbofuo babusua yen Ghana for yeni Igbofuo mabusua why akuapemfo kora mo mankanafo asase tena so Ghana so kora ma hayen because Mr. President for your information so we sing kanafo any Nigeria for ya busua en kanafo omunye Ghana for any en kanafo omunye Ghana for mfiri Nigeria no mbaye nti oso mo kom kurom akuapemfo na mo asase tena so in Crawford say I'm wanted so she born na mo no wo no na mo why ati she na nkwe game she born na me no game no mi je game anomi eya kuapim for asase enkra asase no eya kuapim for asase sa wo be kire ye history a ene yenso ye be ka history ni bi die yenso ye nim ene die yenso ye nim ye be ka enkra for asase o motete so no me say ye kuapim for asase o ton Rollins eba ye ena obeye say oh nsase ne de eyinim say ye kwapem for dia na nso say nkrafo na betena ha ama ye ne o mababusia nti nsase no mo na ne fama omo ena kwapem for da ne de ma omo Mr. President, if you care to know, because also nim history wo chire Nigeria for Igbo for Nigeria for ase say ye ne omu ye nuanom bi otun Incranfo de say Javen fan say no matter half of retenten. Incranfo nyan nkrofo a omo ye basabasa. Na sai Nigeria for ne de ye ne omo nsini kromu ha no. ekuro we mu ye ne omo nsene ha ne ye ne omo nsene ha kyena me sin ko to say Nigeria ni Ghana ni ikontokwa kobo unua Ghana ni no kobo unua Ghana ni no na mo ni Nigeria ni mfeso na oman wei ya hwe ye a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obeton dia ma Nigeria fo say ya ma ye ni anawa say ya ma ye ni anawa oman wei obeton dia ma Nigeria fo wakakodi ahini na wie no mbe nkwase asem a ne muwade Nigeria fo no be start aye oman wei ye wa ha ye be hu na Your Excellency Mr. President oman wei ye ma okwan ma won say no ye die ye kuru wo die ukuta dual citizenship aha say a obekwa ha ye die di ba bia akọ ye be boy man hu ban oman wei ye be bon ban. I promise you that.
Breaking news, Ebusunya. Breaking news. Supreme Court orders suspension of Pandai election rerun. Adjoins hearing to January 13th, 2026. That is, I mean, say the Supreme Court of Ghana. I say, Pandai rerun na NDC are before the person come the 30th of December no was suspended no. Our adjoining case no. And they January 13th, 2026. And unti make actually was election no. Embasso. Ya suspended Pandai rerun no. Me say only MPP a lawyer for party na air dealing no. Omo ni emra, omo di emra na ye adwuma. Enu ti only MPP deal a. Hunu say emra nko ade a obe faili. Enu ti na ndi se ba ya mutimi MPP ni bi antum no. Because MPP no a part of intellectual. Mama na kase na kai. Say MPP ni ya lawyer for party. And then this near sankwas. Nso nko suo for party. Enu ti me no kase there. Supreme Court of the Republic of Ghana. 5 judges na tena so. Omo say omo suspended a year Pandai election rerun na nka ekoso 30th of this month say ombe tie case no another one no next year January 13th and when break news am different Supreme Court of the Republic of Ghana it is still what possible. I know that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama doesn't care about we the people of Ghana. You see, I've been telling you people this time several times say this man John Dramani Mahama, he doesn't care about how we Ghanaians feel. Or no, what he cares about is getting what he wants to get. And that's it. Let's be real and let's be honest. John Dramani Mahama doesn't actually care about we the citizens. You see, if you check what is going on with these Nigerians and all those stuff, the way Ghanaians have been complaining, even went on demonstration against the Ibgo king and everything, he still went ahead to Nigeria and collect a chieftaincy title, telling you that he doesn't care about what you people are doing. He doesn't care about it. And this is the president of the Republic of Ghana. So basically, Nigerians have won the battle because now the president of Ghana has a chieftaincy title in Nigeria. He's a chief now in Nigeria. You understand? So I'm telling my fellow Ghanaians that the biggest mistake we did was trusting John Dramani Mahama and believing, say, he was coming to do something perfect than what Nana Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was doing. And that's the reason why we are where we are today. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Ghana TV meeting. I'm Jeso, and I promise.